Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Keyboard Manager in Microsoft PowerToys step by step. If you want to remap keys, change keyboard shortcuts, or create custom shortcuts that better fit your workflow, Keyboard Manager makes it easy. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerToys on your Windows computer and select Keyboard Manager from the list of utilities on the left. Make sure the feature is enabled by turning on the toggle if it isn't already. Once it's active, you'll have options to remap individual keys or customize keyboard shortcuts. Next, if you want to change the function of a single key, click Remap a key, then select the key you want to modify and choose the new action or key you want it to perform. Yeah, this is useful if you have a key you rarely use or want to replace with a more convenient one. If you'd rather customize shortcuts, click Remap a shortcut instead. Choose the original keyboard shortcut, then enter the new shortcut or command you want to use. You can create shortcuts that help you launch apps, perform actions more quickly, or better match your personal preferences. After making your changes, click OK or Continue if you're asked to confirm them. Your new key mappings and shortcuts will take effect immediately, and you can test them right away to make sure everything works as expected. If you ever want to remove or edit a remapping, simply return to Keyboard Manager, select the existing rule, and update or delete it. PowerToys makes it easy to manage all of your custom keyboard settings from one place, and that's it. You now know how to use Keyboard Manager in Microsoft PowerToys to customize your keyboard and improve your productivity. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.